Hey guys, welcome to another video of Generation Oldschool. Today we're meeting with Fred, owner of the little shop of Power Rocks. And we're gonna be filming and talking about this 1963 Chevy C10 short bed, small window.
Yep.
Fred, tell me a little bit about this car. What have you done to it?
The truck is a very clean 1963, very minimal rust on the truck. The truck came into me because as hot as it is down here in Florida, he wanted to add air conditioning to the truck. So we added a vintage air AC. It's a inline 6-cylinder. We were able to get the bracket for the inline 6-cylinder with the V-belt system, added vintage air, and we also put all the brand new weather strippings on the front windshield, side windows, and on the rear window. Later on, he's going to do a couple other upgrades. We also got rid of his regular direct fan and added an electric fan to it. I'm going to open up the hood so you can see a little bit of the work. The cool thing about the vintage air kits is you have nothing on the firewall, so it keeps the firewall clean. The bracketry is down here as far as the bracketry for the compressor, which incorporates its alternator. And we had to do a little custom modification on his brackets up here to be able to get space for the electric fan, which is on the inside. The electric fan works off of a thermostat, so it works just like a regular modern vehicle. I mean, it's still carbureted, so you still have to, those little things to go with it, but it's cooling at 50 degrees basically. Out in the sun, the AC is at 50 degrees. So it's a very, very nice, efficient unit. Overall, it's in really good shape. The truck obviously is a repaint. It looks like it was red at one time, but it looks like it was repainted a very long time ago. There's very little rust in this truck. There's a couple of small spots that you can see on the truck, but nothing major. We had the front windshield out of the truck, and there was barely any rust, a little bit of surface rust around the front windshield. It is a small window truck. Let me open up the door so you can look at the interior. The interior is really clean. It's a 3-speed on the tree. It's still original 3-speed on the tree. He wanted to keep it that way. And you see the air ducts that we added to the bottom of the dash. That's all the vintage air system. And then the switch panel that's on the dash is also the vintage air switch panel to mimic the old style switch panel.
And that's good that you mentioned that, Fred, because there's many people that follow me that don't know that companies exist nowadays that make AC system for these old school cars or trucks that resemble the old school,
Correct.
air system.
Correct. There's about 3 different companies. We distribute vintage air that make retrofit systems for a bunch of different vehicles. The switches will mimic the old style switches. The vents will mimic the old style vents. They also have custom vents too, and billet vents if you're going to do a more custom look or you're doing something fancier inside the dash. They have that available too. They also have digital gauges too if that's what you want also. But yeah, this system was a vintage air system that was designed and made for this truck.
Yeah. And another question that I get is how much something like this will cost. Do you have an idea?
The kits themselves, if you're going to buy them and install them yourself, I can sell them to you. Depending on the application, they run anywhere between $1,300 to $1,800. Installation can run as low as $1,800 and as high as $2,500, depending on what your vehicle needs. On these old vehicles, I have to see them before I quote them, only because I don't know what the vehicle needs. It may have rust repair that needs to be fixed, or the dash might not accept what we're trying to put in it. So we do really need to see it. But that gives you a good basis of what the range would be.
Yeah. Okay. What else can you tell me about this truck? Do you know where it comes from?
I don't know where he bought the truck from. He's had it for about 5 years now, and he daily drives it. He's a chef at a local restaurant, and he's been daily driving it. Obviously, with the heat, he can't stand it anymore, and his wife won't ride in it. You have to have AC, so he's going to be real comfortable in it now. It is a short bed. It's a fleet side bed. The wooden side of the bed looks to be in pretty solid shape. This is some of the old components we had to remove from the vehicle, which he's going to either throw away or save, either way. The bed isn't all rotted out. It wasn't original, like you see all the splatter on it. It was an original red truck, so somebody did paint it blue, but it was painted many, many years ago. And it's just a really solid, nice truck. Really. Sure. Those of you that follow the pickup trucks, you know right now the pickup trucks are on fire. They're getting harder and harder to get, and they're getting more and more expensive.
And you were telling me that you have your square body for sale. You want to show it around?
This square body is currently for sale. I just picked it up. We haven't even had a chance to clean it. It's a big block truck. It has a vintage RAC in it. It has Dakota Digital Dash in it. Like I said, we haven't even had a chance to clean it. Very solid truck, very minimal rust on this truck. It's got a little body work on this door. It's got to be addressed. Short bed, it's been lowered. Really nice, good running truck. If you look on my Instagram, you'll see this truck doing a really nice burnout. So mechanically, she's very sound. So if you want to reach out to me, this truck is available for sale.
And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big like. And if it is your first time passing by the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And something that I want to start doing from now on every video towards the end is say hi to someone that left a comment in the last video that I posted. And with that being said, I would like to start by saying hi to the Dream Wrench, who left me a comment on the last video that I posted saying that it's really good to see the square back again. The story behind the build is super inspiring stuff. That was a comment that he left me on the last video that I posted. I want to say thank you so much to you for watching the video and for taking your time to comment. And yes, it's true. The story behind that car is amazing. As a matter of fact, I posted another video a while back. I'm going to be linking it right here so that you click on it and you can see it. That was another video that Yaril and me did, and we filmed all the cars that he had at that time in the shop. It's an amazing video. You guys are gonna like it. But more than anything, because we'll talk a lot more about the Volkswagen Squareback. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know with a big like. Leave your comments down below on this video, that way I can send you guys a hello next time I upload a new video. With that being said, see you guys on the next one. Take care, God bless you all, and stay safe.